to another episode of Buzzed, Hammered, Glued, and Screwed. I'm your host, Landers Crow. I'm sure all you people out there, total of 4, maybe 3, all have this problem. You have a broken electronic, and I'm going to teach you how to fix it. Yeah? So, I have a broken tablet. Now you look there, the screen's cracked, you know, all that jazz, monkey bullshit. I've learned how to fix these over the years, so I'm going to show you how I do it. You want to sturdy your product. So the first step is to make it secure. Yeah. So now that you got it secure on the wall, you're going to want to get your tools and safety equipment. The list will be presented here. So now you've gathered your tools and safety equipment. You're going to want to start with a screwdriver. You can take the screws out and access all the shit inside. Take your screwdriver, put on your shield, and get after it. We're not quite inside yet, so bear with me just a minute. I think we've cracked it open. Make sure to wear your gloves in case it's too hot to handle, like old Dad here. Safely remove the screwdriver.
The kung fu kicking.
Ah!
I like that Judy chop.
Now that you remove the screwdriver, you can see we can now access the shit inside. You're going to want to lift up the hood. Now you see your LCD screen. It's fucked. Now you see your aluminium. Who knows what that's for? Okay. I don't see any electronics in this one. We must have a cheaper model. But we do have a speaker. So, throw that in your pile of useless junk that maybe one day you'll get to. I see a circuit board right there. Yeah, we're getting close. The next step, grab your other tool bag. Make sure you get a T too. Open the door because you don't want to break the glass. Okay. I prefer a driver because I do like to drive those balls. Grab you a ball, preferably a Pro V1. Set it up to aim. Make sure your stance is good. Whoop! Forgot your safety equipment. We'll have to try that again. We're using a vintage Pepsi bottle and a good driver with a fat sweet spot.
Just like my old lady.
This time, keep your eye on the ball.
Safety equipment.
Oh wow! Got a prize in this one. A Marlboro Light. With some good juices on it. Yeah. Just throw that behind the shoulder and light this one up. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh. Damn, I was hoping that'd be weed. So now that you're done fucking shit up, we need to remove the tablet so you can play. It would work better with the battery. I think it's good to go. See you next time. Buzzed, hammered, glued, and screwed. So now that you got it secure, fucking shit, and you'd like to fix it. Shit!
Crazy, redneck faded, eyes all hazy, smoked out daily. Crazy, hillbilly hick, that moonshine still in the back of the sticks. Crazy, trailer trashy, shaking, baking, another batch. Crazy, white boy wasted, Zan and perky Medicaid. Here we go, you already know it's an impeccable flow. I stay rolling and I'm blowing on the medical dope. If you a skeptical though, give me a second or so. When I'ma spit it so incredible, your head explode. I ain't been in it for a minute, but I'm back on track. I ain't never gonna give up, can't tap the match. You know that's a fact, most you rappers whack. You better pack a sack, cause I'm coming back like boom, bitch. Back on my grind, up in the sticks, I be hard to find. Always sipping on the good moonshine, you know I'm straight tripping on the backwood pine. You a feline, better not speak mine. Make a beeline for the tree line, throw the peace sign. I decline, hate I can do without it. Fuck anybody who would ever doubt it. Goddamn right, I'ma be about it. Stand tall, never falls when I'm fucking shouting. While I'm climbing the mountain, straight to the tip top. Y'all be climbing and down and waiting for the flip flop. Ain't gonna happen, I'll never stop rapping. I'm second the game like I'm grocery bagging. I got the ambition you others be lacking. I'm running it down and your feet be a dragging. You slack, I'm attacking, your neck be a snapping. Pants be a sagging, your bitch be a gagging. Her knees on the rug like she blowing the Latin. I'm throwing it deep like we playing some Madden. Sassing the beat, put it on the hit list. Your reaction to me, just a little misfit. Give a motherfuck, y'all going this. Push your luck, fuck her up. Come and kiss this, I'ma split this, hit this, better not miss this. Start up on the flow, keep it running like it's fitness. You already know it, keep it coming like a business. Who is Landis Crow, don't be dumbing like a witness. Can't forget this, get your facts up. Like Christmas, bitch, I got it wrapped up. The only difference is I got it backed up and y'all been sleeping on me like a motherfucking mattress. Crazy, redneck faded, eyes all hazy, smoked out daily. Crazy, hillbilly hick, that moonshine still in the back of the sticks. Crazy, trailer trashy, shaking, baking, another batch. Crazy, white boy wasted, Zan and perky Medicaid. Smoking every day like a stove in the winter. I be rolling so much tree, yeah, I probably gotta split it what you say. I don't remember cause it went about the windy. I'll be playing like a fender while I'm number one contender. Eat you turkeys up for dinner like the middle of November. I'll be faking like a splendor while I'm token on the timber. Be the only member in the real ass club. Always token on some kill ass bug. Can you deal that drug? Can you feel that love? I don't give a motherfucker, can't kill my buzz. Can you feel that cup? Can you steal that dub? Listen to this man, he ill as fuck. Got something to prove, I got it all to lose. Hating on me, come and walk in my shoes. You can see what this country white boy can do. I got an old pair of jeans and a white t-shirt. Got a beat up Chevy, but it get me to work. I got a house on wheels, I can take it and go. I buy my smokes down the road at the country store. out daily. Crazy hillbilly hit, that moonshine still in the back of the sticks. Crazy trailer trash, he shaking, baking another batch. Crazy white boy wasted, Xan and perky medicated.